students of class 3, please take out your math magic book and the page number is 17. Okay, Joita, if you can't see me, then left the class and rejoin the class. Left the class and rejoin the class. Is it not clear that I have told to mute your audio? I will not shout middle of the class that mute your audio, mute your audio. Okay. Yes, I have given 16 number page as a homework. 16 number page as a homework. So, all the students now, please move with the 17 number page. Top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. So, in Cricket World Cup match, from the Cricket World Cup match, they have given you 10 top score run. So, the player name is APJ. APJ scored 128, AS 100, CK 99, DM 162, KSP 152, MD 178, PK 105, ST 141, PK 112, VBS 127. Now they have asking you some question, okay? So let's read the question what they asked us. CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? Yes, Susan, you are absolutely correct. It's 1. Can you tell me, students, why it's 1? Why it is 1? Because, yes, we all know that 100 makes century. So, CK at 99. So, Miss Hunt, State Mon. Why in the middle of the class you are calling Sheikh Montashir? If you having any query, text me on the chat box. So, the first answer will be that CK just missed his century. So, how many runs did he need to make a century? He needs only 1 run. Isn't it? Then after that, the next question. CK just missed his century. CK just missed his century. Sorry, dash and dash scored almost equal run. So tell me the name of the 2 players who are done almost same run. Almost same. So it's Oshmi has said APJ 128 and VBS 127. Yes, obviously, definitely, because they are having 1 runs difference. Then after that, Sujan has said AS 100 and CK 99. Yes, both the answer are correct. So you can write down A, P, J and VS, or you can write down AS and CK. Dash scored a complete century, no less, no more. Dash scored a complete century. Yes, AS done 100. It's not less than century and more than century. It's exactly century. So the third answer will be AS. Then it's the time for the fourth number. Most runs scored by any batsman are most runs scored by any batsman are MD. Yes, MD has done 178. So most run 178. So any batsmen are, so MD. Then the next answer, then the it's MD. Okay, then the next, dash and dash have a difference of just 1 run between them. Yes, APJ, VVS or AS and CK. Any, so this answer is same with will be this answer, isn't it? Because they having also 1 number difference, 1 run difference, and they also. So here I am writing the small one, AS and CK. Okay, I am writing both. So, or you can write down, yes, A, PJ and VVS. Okay. Then the next question, dash scored 2 more than 1.5 century. Who scored 2 runs more than 1.5 century? So before that we have to come to know 1.5 century means how much? 1.5 century means 100 plus half century 50. So 150 is the 1.5 century, and now they are asking 2 runs more means 152. So let's see who had done 52. Yes, it's KPS. So the answer is K dot P dot S. Okay. With this we have completed this chapter. Now not this chapter, this page. Now come to the next page. Counting in tens. Counting in tens. 10, 20, 30 means they jump 10 steps forward after 10. So the next page is page number 18. 10, then 20, then 30. Now see students, it's mean they jump 10 steps. Then once again they jump 10 steps. So can you do the next page? Can you do the next page? Counting in tens and counting in 15s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 15. This way you have to be do. So do it fast. I am giving all of you 2 minutes time. Complete this page. Okay? Okay, who has completed it? Let me check it. And others, do it fast. So, it's Sarina, Sujan Parveen, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, okay. 20, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh no! Okay, Sujan Parveen, look at the fourth number column, the blue one, blue one. It's not 410. They have given you the series of 700. So 720 was there now. So write rounds. 710, 710, 720, 730, 40, 50, 770 in this way. Complete this one, Sujan. Okay, beta? Rithojit. Okay, Rithojit. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. It's a 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 800. Okay, Sujan, now it's all right. Shake charge. 8, 300, 400, 450. Okay, shake charge, the lower part. Counting tape 50 is all right. It's a 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Then 110, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. So, okay. Check chart. Good. You have done correct. Sujan Parveen, all right. It's Rithojit. Previous day's class work. Let me check. 102, 107, 108, 112, 206, 204, 202, 199. Very good, Rithojit. Well done. Ushmi. Okay, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. It's so, then well done, Ushmi. Saptoshi Kundu. Counting in 50s. Absolutely correct. Then this one, the tens, counting in tens part. All right, correct. Sujan, correct. Mirza Sahib Hussain. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, correct. Utkarsh. Very good, Utkarsh. The counting. Shankho, you didn't submit the class work. You were taking the Snapchat of the class. Huh? No, I will remove you from the class. No need to do the class, Shankho. Joita Hajra. Okay, Joita, this one is correct. Sujan, how many times you will send me? Ujashik. Okay, now everybody move for the next part. Now we will move for the next part. See, The next, there are two questions on the 18 number page. How far can you go like this? How far can you go like this? So after 850, tell me, after 850, can we go to the next number? Is there any number after 850? Tell me, students, is there any number exist in the number system? Can we go for the next? Yes or no? Shankho, you know, you are such a okay. Now do the next part. The question they asked you, how far can you go like this? How far can you go like this? How far can you go like this? Can you tell me how far we can go like this? So we can go and go, because after 850 we can say 851, 852, in this way 1052, 2052, 2,52, no? Because there is numbers never end, numbers, you can never end the numbers. Shankho, first of all, off your camera, don't record the class and stop taking the Snapchat. Other students are maintaining the discipline, you should also maintain the discipline. Because all the videos will be uploaded on the YouTube, so you can see from the YouTube. You didn't submit me the classwork. So the first question, how far can you go? So over there with your pencil, in a small way, you can write, we can go on and on, and it is a never ending process, and on, because okay, Utkarsh, Pratyushna, I will check. Because there is no end to this number. Okay? Yes, you can write on your copy also, beta. Then the next question. Okay? The next question is, what is the biggest number you can call out? Can you tell me, student, the biggest number? What do you think? Which number is the biggest number? Please answer it. What do you think? I should also come to know, na? Is there any number exists like a biggest number, Rithojit? What do you think, beta? Utkarsh Kumar, the 50s part is alright. Nihan Chaudhary. Okay. It's alright. Pratyushna. Yes, Pratyushna, it's alright, beta. 9 million, someone says 1000, will become 1000, isn't it? It will become 1000. With this 1000, if you add the another 1000, you will get 2000. With this 2000, if you add the another 2000, you will get 4000. With this 4000, if you add 4 lakhs, what you will get, students? You will get 40400. So you can see it's never end. You can't call a number is the biggest number. 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, 100 billion, 1000 billion, 1 lakh billion, 1 crore billion, 1000 crore billion. It can be million. So there is no biggest number exists in the number system, in the number of world. I mean, a world of numbers. There is no biggest number. If they give you 2 numbers, you can compare between them. You can compare between them that which one is biggest among them. If there are 10 numbers they given you, for among those numbers you can compare the biggest number. But whenever you think about the world of numbers, that time there is no biggest number, okay? So the answer will be there is no biggest number. So it is done. Bapre, Rithojit, it's a 1 trillion, 3 billion, 1 million. So if I say Rithojit, it's a 100 trillion, 10 billion and 1 million, then what you will say? Rithojit, you can't make it stop, okay? So we need maybe 2 or 3 days to complete this chapter. So the 20 number page, the page number 20, read it, read the information, jumping animals. Next day we will do this, okay? Next day we will do this. So that much for